The 2026 BMW M5 marks a bold turn for BMW's performance sedan flagship, blending brute power with hybrid efficiency, high-tech luxury, and everyday usability. The new M5, available as both a sedan and a touring wagon-style version, continues the legacy of the M5 name while pushing it into the modern era of electrification and performance. Let's dig into what makes the 2026 M5 special, and why it might just redefine what a super sedan can be in 2025-2026. Powertrain and performance, supercar level with hybrid smarts. At the heart of the 2026 M5 is a sophisticated hybrid setup, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 inches M twin power engine paired with an electric motor. Combined output, 717 horsepower and 1000 Nm 738 pound-feet torque, a massive figure that puts the M5 well into supercar territory in terms of power. Acceleration, 0 to 60 mph, 0 to approximately 97 km per hour in about 3.4 seconds for the sedan, and approximately 3.5 seconds for the touring. Top speed. With the optional M driver's package, the M5 can reach up to 190 miles per hour, reaffirming its status as a hyper sedan. Drivetrain. All-wheel drive, MX drive, and an 8-speed automatic transmission ensure that the power is delivered smoothly and controllably to the road. Yes, the new M5 is heavy, the hybrid system, big engine, and features add weight. But despite that, the performance numbers show it still has the blast-off capability M5 fans expect. Sedan versus touring. Performance meets practicality. One of the standout features of the 2026 M5 generation is that both a sedan and a touring wagon-style version are offered, a first in many markets. M5 Sedan, a traditional executive-style four-door sports sedan, the go-to for enthusiasts wanting high performance with classic sedan proportions. M5 Touring offers the same insane power and performance, but with significantly more practicality and cargo space, making it viable for daily use, trips, or family drives. This dual offering blurs the line between supercar and versatile everyday car, a rare combination in the performance sedan class. Interior and luxury, tech, comfort, and everyday usability. The 2026 M5 doesn't sacrifice luxury for performance. Inside, you get a blend of high-end materials, modern technology, and comfort features that suit both spirited drives and daily commutes. Infotainment and controls. A curved display combining a large center screen and a digital instrument cluster underpins BMW's latest tech approach: iDrive, navigation, connectivity, etc. Interior options. New upholstery choices e.g. dark violet black or taupe gray, deep lagoon merino leather, and premium trim options mark the 2026 update. Comfort and amenities. Heated, ventilated seats, advanced climate control, driver assistance features, and a suite of safety and convenience tech make M5 suitable for long trips or city driving alike. Practicality. For the touring version, folding rear seats unlock much more cargo space, making the M5 a surprisingly flexible luxury performance car rather than a pure weekend toy. In short, the 2026 M5 doesn't ask you to choose between luxury and speed, it offers both. Efficiency, fuel economy and real-world considerations. Given the hybrid powertrain, some might expect dramatic improvements in efficiency, but the 2026 M5 is still a performance car first. The M5 sedan is rated at approximately 14 mpg combined with the touring slightly lower, far from eco-car territory. The hybrid system does allow for some electric-only driving for short distances, but the strengths of M5 remain in its petrol plus electric combined capabilities rather than economy. Fuel consumption, maintenance, and running costs are going to be significant. Owning an M5 requires acknowledging those trade-offs. So while the hybrid system adds modern flair and a mild nod to efficiency, this is still very much a super sedan in spirit and function. The 2026 M5 is for who it's not for. Drivers who want supercar-level performance in a sedan or wagon package. People who value a mix of blistering acceleration, all-wheel drive control, and high-end luxury. Those who want a car that's equally capable on a track, highway, or family road trip. Purists longing for the old naturally aspirated, manual gearbox M5S, the hybrid, AWD, and automatic gearbox culture marks a big shift. Buyers concerned about fuel economy, running cost, or who prefer a lightweight, nimble sedan. People looking for a budget-friendly, performance car, the M5 is a high-end, high-cost premium car. The 2026 BMW M5 is more than just another performance sedan. It's a statement, a car that marries extreme power and acceleration with luxury, modern tech, and surprising practicality, especially in touring form. It demonstrates how performance cars don't have to be limited to track or speed demons, they can also be grand tourers, daily drivers, or long-distance cruisers. If you're ready to embrace the hybrid future without sacrificing the feel of a muscular BMW, and you're fine with the associated cost, the 2026 M5 stands as one of the most compelling super sedans on sale today.